Maximus, I am looking forward to coming over to your place soon to have some good old hedge fun. Roo, roo, roo. Atlas, that would be great. How long ago did you humans leave? Oh boy, they left about an hour ago. I expect, from what they said, that they will be gone at least another hour or so. What have you doing with your time alone in that big house you live in? Well, Atlas breath, as you know, I keep busy even when the humans are away. And yes, roo-roo-roo, the dogs will play. They lick the whole couch all over from top to bottom. I was just about to start on the 2 new chairs in the living room. I have to break them in, you know. But I decided to call you first. Atlas, my He-Man dog, what have you been doing? Sniff. Anything good lately? I did it out of my mind. Oh my god. Row, I can't get it out of my mind. You see, I had this red squirrel cornered. There he was, smoking that little cigarette, the last one in his mini pack of camels. But somehow, at the last nanosecond, he got away. Maximus, what am I going to do? I can't sleep at night anymore. I keep seeing that same red squirrel. He haunts me, even in my dreams. That same little red squirrel throwing nuts down at my head. Whoa, Maximus! Are you still there? Maximus! Can you still hear me? Maximus! Oh my! Atlas, suddenly you are in color. Wow! It's awesome, Maximus. Well, before our technical difficulties might happen again, let's meet down at Best Buy. We need to get you a new phone.